Hey guys, so I got back with a video. Today I'm doing a review on this animated snoring slash interactive skeleton and hammock. I don't know. I'm just gonna call it snoring skeleton. This is, and yeah, this is supposed to be in a hammock. This is the hammock part right now, but I'm not gonna hang it up. There's nowhere to hang it up. That's why I keep it in a box. Now this is another one of those items I got from that lot. It's really kind of dumb. I mean, it's just like it's missing his feet. I mean, here's part of it right there, natural, but it's in that box over there. The other one's completely gone. That's why I'm not gonna bother putting the other one on, because it's look weird with this one. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. It's just cheap. I mean, like the body is cardboard, the head is foam. The hands are really the only good part about it. They're the only best part. The rope is cheap. There's no company name on the tag though. And yeah, I didn't even really know this was an animatronic. I thought it was just some static thing that just lit up or something. But I looked at it closely one time and saw there was no LED and decided to test it. But I mean, when it has this kind of battery compartment on it, you don't really expect it to be an animatronic. So yeah, anyway, I'll test it. Sound activated. See, it's just he's got all his hammock, it's all tangled up and stuff. It's just gonna stay in that box for a while. You just keep going too. It's like my snoring Santa. I have a Santa that's made by Taco in there. Yeah, that's the interact. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, bye guys.